Hi guys, thank you for clicking this video. Today I'm going to review a product that I've been using for more than 7 months. I started using this product since December 2019 and until now, today, the day I record this video, which is 10 July 2020. So this is Nivea Extra White Repair and Protect. It has 50 times vitamin C and SPF 30. Now I'm going to show you the back of the product. Also, at the front, it says whitens, repair, protect, moisturize with SPF 30. After spending almost 7 months using this body lotion religiously, I can safely say that it's good, but it's not good enough. I think it's able to moisturize my skin, but when it comes to its ability to actually lighten my skin, only my hand has lightened up. The rest of my body, such as my arms and my feet, it doesn't light up. Okay. So about its UV protection, I'm not sure how good it is, but it does come with SPF 30 and PA times plus 2 plus signs. Okay, at the end of this video, you can see a slideshow or images of me comparing my skin after a month of using this product. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.